Hi there, check this out, another World War II artifact, because we are in a place that used to be a World War II battle site and the place where the Japanese Imperial Army had their last stand here in Bicol region, and we are looking at a church bell or a chapel bell that actually used to be part of a bomb. Old timers here would tell us that there were a lot of vintage bombs here during the early days. A lot of artifacts that you could actually find. So now many of those artifacts were recovered by the military, by the government, and some of those artifacts ended up as something like this. Now, the violent past of said vintage bombs are now reduced to worship and ecclesiastical purposes. So they are no longer instruments of death, but rather instruments for spirituality. Right, join me again next time for more videos on the outdoors, blade culture, hiking, prepping, and even World War II sites. Jason here for the Hagbayon channel and TMS Talks. Remember, the pen is mightier with a sword. Thank you.